Hey guys, it's Miriam with lots of toys. Have you subscribed? Oh, do you hear that? I think it's time to feed the animals. What's the matter, little guy? Oh, look at you. Are you hurt? No worries. I'll fix you right up. Is it your hoof? La 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 la. Band-Aid coming right up. You're going to be good as new. There, much better. Run along now. Yeehaw! Somebody's hungry. Who wants some food? Let's see, is everybody here? We've got Cluck and Chick. Chick 1 and Chick 2. Then we have Whitey and Gray. There's Brownie and Camel. I guess everybody's here. Eat up now. I hope it tastes really good. Now don't fight over the food. There's plenty for everybody. Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Ain't got little lambs. I've got food for you too. Yeehaw, yeehaw. Gotta warm up your bottle. Come here, you. No worries, little guy. I've got food for you. This is gonna be good. Bah, bah. Don't worry, you're gonna be next. Here you go. So delicious, isn't it? It's your turn. Yum, yum. It's time for your checkup. Bah, bah, bah. It's gonna be okay, little lammy. Come back. Bah. Let's check you out and make sure you're okay. You also have to fix your bandage. You seem healthy. Come on, little lamb. It's your turn. It's gonna be okay, really. Let's check your heart out. Seems like you're healthy. Bah, bah, bah. Cluck, 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 cluck. Click, click, click. It's time for your checkup, Brownie. Come over here. You're gonna get a little treat afterwards. Be a good girl. Bah. You need to get your weekly shot. That's a good girl. Now come and get your treat. It's over here. Come on, don't be shy. You've earned it. It's gonna be so yummy. Now who's next? I think we're missing somebody. Somebody didn't have their checkup. Ee-haw! 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 Yep, it's you, Camel. Ee-haw! 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 You have to clean off your bandage and put a new one. Let's take a look. We have new bandages here. Here you go. Steady. Yeehaw! That's gonna be much better now. It's Barbie and she's a farm vet. She's got so many cute animals with her. Look at this. This is super fun. She gives checkups, puts on casts, and of course feeds the animals. This looks super, super fun. I can't wait to open it up. From lambs and goats to cows. Horses, farm vets love animals. They feed and nurture them, give checkups, and make sure all the animals are happy and healthy. Do you love farm animals too? You can be a farm vet just like Barbie. There's so much that this set includes, including Barbie herself. And she's got all her farm animals with her. medicine too. Come here. Ee-ha! 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 It's time to clean up. Gotta get in your pen. Perfect. You too, little chicks. So awesome. That's it for me, kids. It's time to close up for the night. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like and see more fun videos. Bye.